Good day everyone. Let's proceed to the topic of provisioning cloud resource introduction. This is the introduction. Welcome to Provisioning Cloud Resources Practice Lab. This module, you will be provided with the instruction device needed to develop your hands-on skill. These are the learning outcomes. In this module, you will complete the following exercise. Exercise 1, provisioning storage resource. Exercise 2, integrating templates and containers into cloud solution. After completing this module, you should be able to explain the Microsoft Azure, create a storage Azure, create the container, and set access permission. Upload the file, club, storage, and rebuy the metadata, provision, and app services, configure as autoscale app services. Exam objective, click next. These are the lab topology. We'll use the PLAB Vwin10. This is the exercise one, where provisioning storage resource with any given environment, retaining enough storage to manage an organization data needs to the delicate planning and leveraging Azure cloud storage platform provides system administrator more flexibility and adjusting to the ever fluctuating data requirements present by their organization. Additionally, Azure Storage offers various options for data redundancy and ability without the additional strain of planning out physical hardware requirements like an on-prem environment. This exercise will provision storage account, create a tab, storage, learning outcomes. After completing this exercise, we should able to define describe the Azure storage. Create storage account in Azure, create a container, and set access permission, upload a file, VLAB, storage, and review metadata. Task 1, provision storage account in Azure. Azure Storage Platform is Microsoft solution to cloud storage solution, highly available, massively scalable, durable, and secure. Using Azure storage can be utilized for various forms of data objects. In this task, you will create a storage account. Now connect to PLAB Vwin10. When opening Microsoft page, will redirect you to Azure portal and signing automatically, and Azure cloud subscription will provide all allowed activities that utilize the Azure platform. Not in real world scenario, either the subscription will need you to purchase or will already exist apart on existing company's structure. From the taskbar, click the Microsoft page. In the Azure portal, click the Search Resource Service and Doc text box in the cloud. Let's click the resource. Type storage. Step 4 from the storage account, create. Click the storage account and click create. Step 5 on the basics tabs, project details, under source group, drop down. Basics tab, project details. Click on the resource group drop down, resource group, this the resource group. Okay. Source group and from the create storage account, storage account name, text box, type the cloud, Google for storage. So after that, name should be three lowercase letter number. In message appears stating order exists the case number. So from the region, drop down, select the Europe and UK South. So I think we already choose the global South. So let's proceed on the step 7. Under the performance, ensure the standard option selected. Standard already. Standard. From the redundancy drop down, select the locally redundant storage. Redundant storage allows. And click advance. Click next. Click next. So proceed on click next advance. So in the advanced tabs, ensure that checkbox REST API allow enabling and anonymous access on individual container are ticked. So for the checkbox REST allow enabling. REST checkbox from REST API. Checkbox on REST. So it's two modules on the future. Nasa siguro. I think this is already updated. But under the network connectivity, enable or already enable fundamental inform central start with processors and enable maintenance. I think this already not showing the rest of the operation, so I will proceed the next step for the So that's so from the recording tab, network television organization that enable the public. Yeah. Hintayin. So with outside of fitness, I think this website is already updated. Fitness. So public network access. So click the public as a step 9. So kernel querying for the enable access. And I'll probably selected and enable access all networks. This is so let's proceed under the network routing under network routing preference. So with the Microsoft network routing, so it looks so in the data protection tab under the recovery section, ensure all your checkbox are on click review. So switch it so and after that click review. So with the validation of purpose. No, yung sa akong center mo lang. So with minute the validation in progress to be successful. So notice the deployment progress message is displayed. So click to it. So waiting, the deployment is in progress. Six. So this progress wait for until the deployment progress is completed.
Kaya ka. Kaninong lang. First step, doggy. Doggy, nagbabali ng leeg. Kita mo hindi mga kaya jangan.
So now your deployment is all completed.
Ito yung natin.
So notice the message your deployment is completed has appeared. So already here. So let's proceed on the task two. Leave the PLAB maintenance current state of the next time. Task two, in this previous task, you created storage account that will explore the further into the provisioning of the cloud container in this Microsoft Page storage solution optimized for storing massive amount of data. Object in the PLAB storage with the right permission configuring that can be accessed anywhere using HTTP or HTTPS. Additionally, system administrator can be use Azure Storage Explorer to connect to the storage resource and manage it like was a local machine. In this task, you will permission of PLAB storage. So step one is you to connect with the with the Azure portal. Window open to the cloud storage 00. Ready to
So yun, no?
From the cloud process to overview page, click the total source. So under the data storage menu, under data storage, click containers. So step four, click container and I go to click container. Click add container and name the text box cloud plus container. Keep public as stable as a private.
Yeah, don't think. Yeah.
So we will not to choose public access level as I do to access level set a private because anonymous access is disabled on the storage account. So click create.
How do I delete that?
So step 6, now we have a container. We can look upload information into the cloud. Click on newly created cloud plus container. So step 7, within a cloud plus container, click upload. Under the cloud VLAN, click the blue folder icon to browse for right click, select new.
Nagkakak ka? Nagkakak ka? Nagkakak ka? Hindi ko kasi
Change my password sample.
tenga ko ng ka ng Meron na ako. Ako.
That's
Ito,
sample. That's
that's wrong future.
let's talk to me. Oh,
Matagal ka kumakain.
for this week open.
Ay na yan.
Upload. So step 11, upload the window using the arts icon. Click the sample text file. And click the button to display the function that appropriate access to upload part. So step 12, notice the full data visualization. So now click the sample install. Notice full data details for this are shown already shown. So keep building current states next exercise. Note the change tier option is also available on this page. This can be helpful. For example, comment files that should be not be moved into archive. The exercise 2, integrating template solution container into a cloud solution. Azure allows for a very modular approach to creating and configuring your environment as various resources can be created on Azure Cloud is individual instance. The utilization of the native templates, whether the OS image or individual solution, allows the quick and consistent deployments. This approach allows for individual instances, independent or fully constructed, implementing only the resource needed or any given solution. Traditionally, virtual machine will be deployed with resource needed or a given function, as well as resource that might not be used given point in time. So this is the learning outcomes. After completing exercise, should be able, I will be able to be provision and app services. So task 1, Provision of service platform is or PAS offered nationally that diverse range of supported programming language and ability to quickly build, deploy, and scale web application. This hosting service enable developers to build mobile and web apps and containerized environment while still taking advantage of Azure DevOps capabilities. Ensure the connectivity with the Azure portal window open. So in the Azure portal, click the resource search and docs text bar in Azure portal. So, so, so click create. So, click create instant details. So choose the name as a full love story. Click keyword view site or the YouTube site. Now using performance standard selected on chase keys as a locally redundant storage. After that, click next. So, so as of now, uh, from data protection, networking, so data protection, will show the full all four checkbox are unticked. So the public network access, so click the enable and recovery. Make sure that untick are also here. The four. So under traffic section, enable the the roulette or enable the change speed. So enable that. Make sure that you know. Oh, already here, already. So approve that. Review plus two. So step then review tab, click create. And deployment is in progress. Window is displayed. So wait until the deployment is completed. So now the deployment is already completed. So click go to resource. So over here under the data storage, click containers. and click again add container and change the pila container into name new container. So already here under data storage, click file share. From the PLAB storage file share page, click file share. And name cloud, change the name here as a artist. You can copy this and paste here. From tile drop down, select hub. Click review plus create and create. So click the search resource and search virtual network. Under the service results, select virtual networks and click create. On the basic step, under the project details section, click on the resource group drop down. So the pre-power resource group. So proceed instant details. So this here, copy and paste here, and also make sure the region is UA South. So after that, leave all other reports and click review plus review. So validation page, click create. So now the deployment is in progress. Wait until the deployment is completed. Once the deployment is completed, click the home web link and search of services. So step 25, click on the search resource and search app services. From the app services page, click the create plus web app. On the create web app page, from the resource group, drop down, select the pre-populated resource group and name. No resource group don't have resource name, pre-populated resource group. So in the main text box, so leave the So we probably set the code. So we will run from runtime task stop. Determine select point net 6 point net 6. That as of now, don't have consoles. I think the already updated. So I will check. I will choose the so we will go select your host. Um, Windows. Select explore pricing plans. So as of now, we don't have search tool. So we choose now update latest. So select the account processing plan tool. Explore the prices plan tool. Explore the prices pricing plan or the pricing plan tool. So select app service by BC. F1. Yes. Click select. Go down. Request route and click again. So step 21, the Microsoft Bench app portal will be showing the deployment is in progress message. Azure will open notification. The top right hand side of the screen state that your deployment is completed. Once the resource has been deployed, click go to resource. So wait until the deployment is in progress was completed. So I will do click convert resource under setting, click configuration. And click the map nodes. So step 34, scroll down to the mount storage. Click the plus new Azure. So name the text box as plus storage and configuration options at the basic and storage accounts. Storage current load. So select the cloud. Change this slow non-use contents like the cloud and in the mouthpad text bar click opens. It's so on the save change message, click continue. So I think already done. So just message click continue. Keep device stored on the return stage, proceed the review section. So I think already done. So I'll read the summary. So I completed the following exercise 1, provisioning storage resource. Exercise 2, creating templates, the containers into cloud solution. So now I should now able to define and describe Microsoft Azure storage and create storage account in Azure, create a container and set access permission, upload a file to bill of storage and review its metadata, probation is app service. I believe that's.